Hello again from the bowling corner. It's Timo here once again with a new episode and with a new ball. And the ball is the radical maximum results. Let's see if we get them.
The hookingest ball in the history of the game of bowling.
So wow, another big ball for my back. And as Mo Pinel once said, this is the biggest hooking ball he's ever seen. At least what I have seen. So I have to say, thank you late Mo Pinel of creating this awesome core. I didn't get as many good shots as I wanted from this because the pattern was pretty beaten, but as you saw, the ball is very strong. In fact, it is the strongest ball I have in my bag currently. And the release date is next week also, as the spy. So get the ball if you want some hook. And yeah, if you want to subscribe, do it. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and see you next time.